Okay guys, welcome back to another video on Dorks' Arcade, and today we're going to tear down. In this teardown video, unlike the last one where Freddy, Fazbear, and Chica went psycho mode, here's a little clip of what happened back then.
Fire, I see. You guys are lucky. I'm gonna keep you guys alive. Oh no. Are you okay, man? I think you need some fresh air. Goodbye. Let's go on a different airplane now. Yippee!
In the last video, but today we're in the city. Okay guys, after the incident happened, we're back in the city in Teardown. That was an insane intro, what do you say? Helicopter. I like helicopter. So, in this helicopter we have soldiers. Also this one's like, okay guys, we need to move. And on the other hand, be like, that never happened. Oh yeah. Lift off. Oh no! The helicopter. What happened? Screw it. The helicopter just died. Okay. Let's put a plane in. Should we do that? Unlike the last time I did a video on this, we were riding this plane. Remember this plane right here? The being 737. And Freddy Fazbear, his friends got on. So yeah, let's just this time we can actually crash into something with them on it. So, as you know, it's very more different. So it's cool. Have a mini electronics. Okay, Freddy. Welcome back to your flight. Oh no! Freddy! Freddy! We're gonna crash into the building! What are you doing? You're gonna die! What is happening in the front of the plane? Freddy Fazbear, are you okay? I didn't expect you to do like this. So much. Okay, what is happening? Okay, time to anchor the plane. Anchor the plane. Anchor the plane. Freddy's just like. Freddy, where are you going? Are you just standing inside of a building? I can't tell. You know what? Yeah. Oh! Oh, we did crash inside of a building. I didn't realize that. Okay, let's check the damage. I'm gonna go into photo mode. Okay, let's see here. We're in photo mode, so.
I do not see any. There's big eyes in here, though.
Okay.
Big eyes.
Whoa, this is so cool. Okay, let's see the inside of it. So, plane itself does not seem like. Okay, the back of it. Okay, let's check the front. Okay, where's Freddy Fazbear? Question mark? Question mark? Oh, there he is.
Brody.
Okay, let's see the front of the plane. The front of the plane is question mark, question mark, question mark. Where did the front of the plane go? Wait a... We took out the entire crane. The crane went with us. Wow. What about our wing? Yeah, our wing is destroyed. Okay, let's see what else. So, we crashed into a building. Okay. I'm gonna open that door. But, yeah. I guess we landed here. Oh! Oh no, fire! Fire extinguisher! Activate! Why does it seem so much like the actual first video? Come on! Get these stupid fire out of here. Don't keep them fire on your guys. Let's do it. You watch Avatar? You watch Avatar? Oh my. Always become a waterbender. I've always wanted to become a waterbender. Avatar. I said Avatar in the chat now. Okay. Come on. There's an easier way to handle this. Let me just get it out. And back to you, Jerry. Screw this. I go Jerry. Fire them to sound like a plane. Okay. Fly. I hope you know this. Let's do it. That's the damage we're gonna do to the plane. Yeah. Ooh, cars. Oh, the tractor is down. The tractor is down. Oh. What about that other one? Oh! Limbo bars again. Okay. Now where's that plane? Here it is. Being 737 on board. Hey, the kill. Okay, is it okay? Oh, man. We're blasting off again! Oh! Did it just go to heaven? Did the plane just go to plane heaven? Time to mine down. Yeah, this is stupid. Very, very stupid. Ooh, casino. What's that thing right there? Okay, guys, we're in the train now. Also, did you know that I can make this train hover? That's cool. I don't know where we are. The train is going! Wait, no, it's train. Oh no! It's train. You won't be able to make it past the, what happened? Oh. It's going into the cave system. Oh no. We have to take it down. I can't do it like this. There's only one thing I can do. Omega Cube activate. Oh. What just happened? I can't tell what just happened. Well, what will happen? Goodbye? Get rid of the Omega Cubes. Screw this. New map. Okay guys, we're back in a new map with a funny This is such a ripoff. Ugh! Hey, train, stop it! Sorry for a black hole coming. Hey, what's that thing? Guys, look at the shooting star, make a wish! Wait, hold on, that is no shooting star. There ain't no shooting star! That's a black hole! La 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 la! Hey, look! There's my train! Hey, you, come back off my train! Hello? Man. Okay, come on out. Come on out. Where's the train? What is that? Ugh, there's like forces pulling towards me. Okay, I went over here. Ah! Screw this, I'm gonna find out what happened, and I'm gonna use it in my epic drift car. Screw it, I'm using my hover drift car. Oh, what's going on? I need to get, tractor, activate. Look at that tractor. Oh, you're moving though. Oh my. Ooh. Oh man. Okay, I'm grabbing. Okay, screw this. Let's go into an actual map, which is like this. This is what I like. Okay, let's get some like. Oh, I didn't realize that was a full tree. Okay, fine. This is called my communication tower. Okay, what floor should we go to? Perfect! Let's go to the very tippity top of top, bottom. Okay. Ah, I love this place. Okay, we made it to my floor. Whoa, I love this place. Would be way more terrifying if we went up higher. Okay, this is my office building. Ah, good as that makes my feet hurt. I don't know why, but like it does. Now screw it. Screw it. You know what? What do you need? Oh! I wonder what happened. What's happening at the bottom? Why is there stuff going towards... Oh, what's happening to the building? What's happening to the building? Whoa! What the... What's happening? Oh no! What's happening to the building? Okay, I need to go up the elevator. Excuse me, or do I not see any elevator? Oh good. Okay, no. Come on. Get back up. What is happening to the building? Oh no, this is bad. This is real bad. Okay, screw this. Oh no. Okay, no, this is my hard drive. Shoot it. Oh! What is happening to the building? Whoa. Oh, yes, another one. Another replica. I need to keep this thing safe. Okay, come on. Oh no. It's falling. Oh! Okay, to get up. Oh great. Ugh. The entire building's coming down, I think. Come on. Ugh! No! I need to save it. Ugh! What is happening? Come on, computer thingy. I need you. Ugh. Come on. Oh no, it's gonna... The entire thing fell. Ugh! Okay. Oh man. I really need to get out. Come on. No, where's the laptop? Shoot, I always lose my things. No, that's a table. Oh my. There has to be some other way. At this point, I am so confused. Where the BT am I? Okay, so there's stairs. Okay, one. Okay, yeah, this is it. Where's the elevator? Where's the... I have no idea where this is, but I need to find it. Okay, let's see. Where am I? Yeah, is that a black hole? Oh great. Oh no, it's getting closer. It's getting closer to it. Oh no. Come on. I need to make it up. Wait a minute. The ladder. Here. There it is. Oh my gosh, yes. Okay, just gonna. Just gravity. Pull myself together. Oh! Pull myself together. Come on. Gotta make it to the top of it. Okay, I literally. It was easy at this point. Come on. Come on. Okay, come on. Oh yes, I made it. I made it to the very top. I made it out alive. Yes, finally. Wait a minute. What's happening? That's a black hole, right? Oh great. Nope. No, not going in. Not going in. No. Damn it. Oh, great. I hate this. It's spawn killing me. Whoa. I'm honestly so angry right now. What happened? Did it go away? Finally! Oh man, I am so happy right now. I can be as happy as... What's that? Why is it moving? Oh wait a minute, what's happening? Why am I going up? No. Go down, go down, go down, go down. No, I don't want to go to heaven yet. Please, no. I can't die like this. Oh, it's happening. What is happening? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Wait, no, the AC tower. No, it can't end like this. Screw this. I'm gonna go. The rocket. Oh, fuck on. Oh, fuck on. Yes, go up to gravity and do your stuff. Oh, Falcon. Falcon, come on. You need to go up. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, it's... Oh, there it goes. It's so magnificent. Make it up. Oh, time to destroy my computer. Yippee! Okay, bye-bye, computer. Okay, guys, that's it for today. And before we go, I need to break my computer very quick. This makes no sense. Screw it. My lag frames. Oh, no. Okay, actually, screw it. My batteries are done. Oh my gosh, the computer is breaking. I just broke my computer. Goodbye. Come on, yes. Yes, break it. Oh. Oh. Nothing can break my computer. Absolutely nothing. I said absolute. Oh no.